my battery. How's that? How's that? How's the battery?
What do you mean? Yeah, one battery.
You got one bar? Let's go. Go, go, go. I want you to go fast through blue. Blue's Clues. Come on, faster. You go so slow in these little tiny bumps. What's the matter with you? You're pumping at the wrong time. You gotta get your back tire going down before you pump. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go. Take those burns. Take those burns high. I can't hear you. Come on, man. You gonna make me pedal?
Easier than this.
It's fine. Stop complaining. There's somebody behind us. Pull over at the bottom. At the top. Next top. Pull over. There's more.
I know. I didn't make her you complain the whole time.
I heard you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Is this in my bike?
At least go over the hill first. Move it! Move it! Move it!
I'm trying to push my pedal right here.
Yeah, who?
My pedal.
What about it?
Oh, here we go. Here's the bump.
It's like nothing. Yes, you're good, you're good. It's fine, just go. This is like Sleepy Jake's, come on. You're doing good, you're going, keep going. You rolled through the whole section. You walked last time here through here. You don't remember? Congratulations. You. So that. Nothing. Go, 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 go. Who was complaining the whole time? Okay. Going first?
What?
Careful that rock! I'm scared!
Oh, shoot. How would you do that?
Get your pedal on the thing. Get your foot on the pedal. You just go, 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 go. Come on. Get off the bike!
Dude. Oh, the trillium dog.
Did you not see the bird coming?
I said screw the slow.
Did you say what?
I said screw the slow.
Screw the slow?
It's like, I said screw slowing down. I was worried about that one, that rock right there.
Did you gotta use your front brakes too, dude. Did you use your front brakes?
No.
You should have been using both brakes if you're in an emergency slide. Just, okay? Next time use both brakes.
2-0.
Yes, 2-0. Oh no, it should say 0 and 2. Let's go before we get run over.
Hold on. Fuck, my arm hurts.
Your arm hurts? No, seriously, you alright?
No, I'm alright. Just like, physically.
You good? Be brave, but don't be stupid. Where are you going? It's not even a trail. You cheater!
Dude, I went faster last time.
I know! You know what this means, right?
What?
Trillium next time. We're gonna keep doing trilliums until you go through here. You're good. Ride through it.
First, man.
I always forget about this. Go, go,
I
go.
don't remember trillium being this hard.
Let's go. Why you have to pick the biggest rock to drop off? Oh my gosh. Oh, oh. You forced me to Oh man, that guy. Hey, why you stop?
I forgot. I thought this was the path.
Dude, come on. You stopped here last time.
I thought this was the path again.
Like earlier when you did the shortcut. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Honestly, I'm gonna start sliding again.
If you don't want to slide, just stay. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on. Oh. What? Suck it up. What are you doing? Go. What's the mud? The mud.
Alright, next time tell me if I need to go small, I'll go ahead and say slow down, okay?
These 3 sections are awesome. If you know how to take those burns, that would have been awesome. Nice. Your front came up way too high. Right to the left. Back to Trillium.